Welcome back to another Langmuir Systems CrossFire assembly video. In the last video, we installed the upper rail and gantry onto the machine. And in this video, we'll be installing the slat bed. First, let's take a look at the parts and tools that are needed. You'll need the 3 slat holders, the pack of 10 slats, bag number 12, sheet metal fasteners, and bag number 11, slat holder hardware. For tools, you'll need a screw gun with a 1/4 inch socket, an 11/32 wrench, and a 9/64 Allen wrench. A slat holder gets installed onto each one of the lower cross tubes using 4 sheet metal screws. Mounting holes in the slat holders line up to 4 pre-drilled holes on the lower cross tubes. Make sure that the open ends of the slots on the slat holders are oriented upward. Now I'm going to line up the holes in the slat holder with the holes in the lower cross tube and insert the first sheet metal screw. Now it's important not to over tighten these screws. They're fairly small diameter and you don't want to strip them out. Just seat them until they're all the way down and don't tighten it too tightly. Next, we need to install the brackets that mount the center slat. These get installed in 2 locations. One on the lower rail tube, and the second on the upper cross tube. These are secured using sheet metal screws. Be mindful of the location of the chamfer and make sure that when installed, it's pointed downward. The center slat holder gets installed using the 4 slotted holes on each end of the slat holder. Those align to the holes in the brackets that were previously installed. All of the fasteners in bag number 11 are used to secure the center slat holder to the slat holder brackets. Position the center slat holder so that the slots align to the holes in the bracket. Insert a cap screw through the top hole until it passes through the slot on each side of the bracket. I'm doing this so that it holds up the center slat for me so that I can install the washers and nuts. Now the last thing to do is drop in the slats. That wraps up installation of the slat bed, and in the next video we'll be installing the motors and lead screws. Thanks for watching.